Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Mark Azucena, your Las Vegas realtor with Simply Vegas. And today we're gonna take a look at this brand new spec'd out home by Pulte Homes. It's the Shelby model, and we're in a brand new community called the Hayford Collection, but it's not the gated one. It's the one closer to South Point Casino or Silverton Casino over here. If you haven't yet, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and we'll get this tour started. All right, guys. Now, as you can see, they're still building around here. You have two empty lots over there. You have another Shelby model right there. One that's almost completed right there. And here it is. Now, once again, this is the Shelby plan. It's lot number 24. It's about 4,820 square feet. It's got 5 bedrooms, 4.5 baths. It's got a 3-car garage, a den, and also a roof deck. So, yeah, there's a garage there. Thought they haven't put the garage in yet. So let's check out neighbors that haven't moved in yet. And that's the side of the house. Got one little tree, desert landscaping. You got the gray pavers on your driveway. More desert landscaping. They gave me this exact same tree at my house, and it died. I had to replace it. And on this side, you got a brick wall. Look over there, you got a balcony, 3-story home. It's the biggest model that they have here. And what I like about this is the stairs going into your front door is a lot wider. Oh, you can feel like the plywood on here. And it's just like covered with stucco. This side right here does come with a Ring camera. It does come with the upgraded door with the little glass windows. And let's see what's inside. Okay, right away, you have LVP flooring. And let's start with the downstairs. You got the stone carpet. It's the original carpet, not the upgraded one. There's some dirt over here, so they gotta clean that up before selling it. And you got your downstairs game room, little wet bar area with the quartz countertop. And this got to be the storage under the stairs. Look at all this room over here. Little storage closet. And that was the garage we were just looking at. And I like how they have this little space over here. Here you have your tankless water heater. Now they're given out by Renai. And you have your indoor electrical panels. HVAC box. Extra tiles. And this is the guest bedroom downstairs. It's pretty large. I'll give all the dimensions right here. And yeah, as your backyard, you're gonna have nothing but a dirt lot. Now, here is the walk-in closet. And kind of dirty in here. These builders just, yeah, they don't clean up after themselves. Okay, so you have quartz countertop in your bathroom, white shaker cabinets down here, and they just kind of tiled the bathroom. They didn't even like tile all the way to the top. Little sit down area right there. And what is this? Is this like the laundry room? Yeah, it's the laundry room. All right. And let's see what they have in the backyard. Okay, it's pretty decent, I would say. Pool-sized backyard for sure. It's looking about like from the slider door to the brick wall is about like 35 feet. And you're looking about like 60 feet left to right. And you got a little burr up there, so you might need to put a retaining wall. But yeah, you have enough room for a, you know, rectangle sized pool. All right. Did I mention the AC units are right here? But yeah, don't worry. The builder will clean all this up before releasing it to the public, because it's not quite for sale yet, but it will be. So right here is your den. Yeah, this is a den. Oh, well, this is one of the bedrooms in, because this has a closet. Yeah, look at all this trash on the floor. Here is the first floor powder room. Linen closet. And I like this, you got a wide open concept kitchen. Oh, I'm loving this island. Waterfall edge, quartz countertop, 2 inches. Yeah, that's about like 12 feet, maybe 10. Here's the white shaker cabinets, 42 uppers. The same Calcolata quartz countertop in the sink. Here's your Whirlpool burner. The range hood is over here. Here's your oven and microwave. Doesn't look like they put in a refrigerator here yet, but it's coming. Here's the walk-in pantry. Right here is the area where you could set up your couches. And they have the electric fireplace installed, but it's not quite installed yet because they didn't even put the rocks in. See that? A little mantle up here. They have the plugs for the TV and the coaxial cable right there. So you could fit like an 85-inch, 100-inch TV right here. And you got lots of windows for natural lighting. Over here, you got a balcony for your backyard. Pretty deep space. Now, this should have like a slope so that if it rains or water ever comes down, it goes down over there. But yeah, here's your backyard. And then you can put an optional fan up here. And let's go check out this area. Here is the front yard balcony. See right there, that's South Point Casino. Oh, you got a strip view from this side. You know what, I'll use my phone. Or you could see part of the strip. I can see the Sphere. I could see Fontainebleau, Stratosphere, the Silverton. All right. So that concludes the second floor. Yeah, we're gonna head upstairs to the third floor. And then you got more windows up here for natural lighting and more stairs going up this way. So let's start this way. Here goes a second laundry room. Okay, so this will be bedroom number 2. This is looking like 11 by 11 with a closet right here. And you have your upstairs guest bathroom, tiles on the ground, quartz countertop, dual sinks, and guys, don't mind the dirt over here. They're still cleaning up. Window for natural lighting. Bedroom number 3. Yep, you can see South Point Casino right here. And now bedroom number 4. This one seems a little bit bigger, but I will leave all the dimensions right here. Oh, this room has its own bathroom and shower. So this has got to be like the big brother, big sister room, and a mini walk-in closet. Now we're gonna go to that primary master suite, which is right here. Leaving all the dimensions right here. Here's huge space for a walk-in closet. Now here is primary master suite bathroom, dual sinks, you have a little tub down here, and here's a shower. Rainfall shower up here, little sit down area. Still kind of dirty, but they're cleaning up. And you got 3 windows for natural lighting again. And your water closet. Plus another linen closet right here. And folks, that's not all. We're not done yet. Because right here is the upstairs to the roof deck. Okay, so up this way, you have your very own roof deck party up here. I'll leave all the dimensions on the roof. I mean, it's a little small space, but if you turn around this way, you got a nice strip view. Here's South Point Casino. So yeah, we're here in the Southwest. You know, we're right off of Cactus Avenue, right off the 15, and the cross street is Valley View. And if I turn around this way, got beautiful views of the Red Rock Mountains. All right. All right, guys. So let's go ahead and talk about the price. Currently, the builder is listing this at right around $1,100,000, but I have a close relationship with the builder agent. They are my neighbors. I could get you this house for a lot lower. I can't say it online, but it is drastically lower. So if you're interested in this property, give me a call. I'll leave all my information down below. I'll go in with the builder and represent you. I can get this house a lot lower than what they're asking for, plus get your closing costs paid for and get you an interest rate as low as 3.99%. All right, guys, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you on the next video.